Aqui tá o Logan, conversando com seus melhores amigos. Logan, that's my best buddy, mommy. Ooh, what, baby? What's the doggy doing? What's the doggy doing? Huh? Tell me. Doggy's talking to you? So this is Logan, Louis, Goodall, Herbert, hanging out with buddies. Teddy bear, blue teddy bear, and doggy. Hi. Logan. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Me and doggy are talking. Beautiful, beautiful baby. Cadê o baby? Where's my baby? Where's my baby boy? Huh? Mommy. Mommy. Ooh, what? Time to eat. Let's say bye-bye. Night-night, doggy. Night-night, daddy. See ya.